Okay, we're set back up now. We're on the intake valve side. We're open 100 thousandths. And the machine has been switched over now to intake here. So it's going to, before it was blowing air out, simulating the exhaust, and now it's going to draw air in. It's going to have a totally different sound than it did on the last video. So here we go. We're going to start it up. This is the first time I've flown the intake side, so I don't know what to expect here either. A lot quieter than it is on the loud exhaust side, of course. And it looks like at 100 thousandths lift, we're going to flow about 62. We're going to call it 62 CFM. We're going open another 100. Call that 120.9. We're now at 300 lift, and we are flowing 172. Stop that for just a second to say that at 500 lift, you can hear it starts to get turbulent. The air is not able to hang on to the curves and the shape of the port, and you can hear it skipping, and that's why the CFM is going from 220 and bouncing back and forth. So I'm going to turn the machine back on right where we're at, and we're going to go to 600 lift. Okay, there at the end, I went to 600 lift and it actually flew less air, which means that when the valve was open farther, it flew less CFM of air. We dropped down to 210, before we had 220. So here on the flow sheet, you can see we went 207 at 400 lift, 220 at a ½ inch at 500 lift, then somewhere around 550 thousandths, it gets really turbulent and it just flatlines and goes backwards. So we'll work on the port, get that shaped to where we can get more CFM out of it. Talk to you tomorrow.